Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garling, just went on CNBC's Crypto World this morning to give his final thoughts on XRP, the lawsuit versus the SEC, and his final thoughts to XRP holders as this case hopefully comes to an end. So in today's video, I want to discuss this as well as the latest Bitcoin news, what is happening with the price, as well as few other news stories that you should know as an investor. So like always, check the timestamps down below and let's start. I want to share with you of Brad Garlinghouse summing up where Ripple stands right now with this lawsuit, and by the way, it all comes down to the Howey list. And just to clue everybody in, what are the four elements of the Howey test, and by the way, this was a piece of regulation enacted well before the internet, let alone well before cryptocurrency back in 1993 to distinguish is something an unregistered security. So the four elements of this Howey test are: is there an investment of money in a common enterprise with the expectation of profit to be derived from the effort of others? Now the SEC argues that yes, there was a clear investment of money in the common enterprise of Ripple, decentralized company, with the expectation that based on their effort, the XRP price would go up. That's the SEC stance. Ripple stands in a very simplified way is there was no contract with an average retail investor of an investment of money. So the Howey test for XRP shouldn't stand. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin, the obvious market mover. If Bitcoin goes up, it usually carries the altcoins. When Bitcoin lags, it carries the altcoins. The same. So for Bitcoin, there are more woes for carry scale investors as the largest Bitcoin fund, GBTC, again hits new all-time lows. Gary Scale's Bitcoin Trust is now trading at a record discount of more than 35% compared to the value of the underlying asset. So essentially what that means is, looking at GBTC trading at, like I said, 35 discount, while on the open market right now you can buy one Bitcoin for around $19,000. You can also buy one Bitcoin from Gary Scale at a 35 discount, so roughly around $12,000. If Bitcoin dipped to $12,000 right now, would you buy? Well, technically that option is available right now for Wall Street investors, and they're not picking up the discount now. Again, what is GBTC? It is essentially a trust that buys the Bitcoin, and then Wall Street investors, instead of having to buy Bitcoin themselves and worry about custody and management, they can just buy the ticker, and that's an indirect way for them to buy the Bitcoin themselves, and then Gary Scale will handle the custody and management themselves. Now what this means for you and me as average Bitcoin investors is, I would not expect the price of regular Bitcoin, the underlying asset, to get bought up if we are not seeing the Wall Street investors right now buy this discount in GBTC. Anyway, point is, let me just get to the point. Is this just a metric we're gonna have to keep coming back to keep tabs on, because this could be one of the signals when we eventually switch from bear market to bull. And by the way, even though prices are trending lower, the building, the opera, and the plumbing that are being put into place right now is only getting bigger. Disney seeks a corporate lawyer for emerging technologies and NFTs. So according to a September 23rd listing on Disney's website, they are seeking an experienced corporate attorney to work on transactions involving emergency technologies, including NFTs, blockchain, the Metaverse, and decentralized finance. This is Disney. This is a Disney company which probably is some of the biggest IP in the world getting into the Metaverse For me, what this means is this next decade for cryptocurrency is going to be a whole lot bigger compared to where we are today. Right, that is the video. My name is Shuhaib, and like always, see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.